Cryptocurrency Explained, a guide for beginners. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a digital currency used as an alternative payment method or as an investment. Why do people invest in cryptocurrencies? How does cryptocurrency work? How are cryptocurrencies created? One common way cryptocurrencies are created is through a process known as mining, which is used by Bitcoin. Why are there so many kinds of cryptocurrency? If you're thinking about getting into cryptocurrency, it can be helpful to start with one that is commonly traded and relatively well established in the market. Guides to some widely circulated cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and some altcoins, or Bitcoin alternatives. Are cryptocurrencies financial securities, like stocks? Stocks are securities because they represent ownership in a public company. Whether the SEC will treat cryptocurrencies, or specific types of cryptocurrencies, as securities will be at the forefront of crypto regulation, and could have major implications for the asset class in the near future. Are NFTs cryptocurrencies? However, NFTs are different from cryptocurrencies due to that unwieldy word in their name. Non-fungible. Pros and cons of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency pros. Cryptocurrency cons. Cryptocurrency legal and tax issues. The question of whether cryptocurrencies are legally allowed, however, is only one part of the legal question. And if you're given crypto as payment, or as a reward for an activity such as mining, you'll be taxed on the value at the time you receive them. Your decision: is cryptocurrency a good investment? This is particularly important when it comes to cryptocurrencies, which are often linked to a specific technological product that is being developed or rolled out. Be sure to consider how to protect yourself from fraudsters who see cryptocurrencies as an opportunity to bilk investors.